Welcome to the Ultimate DBot Auto Trading Guide. We have updated the Ultimate DBot platform to a new and more interactive trading platform. So now you can automate your trading strategies among many other features. Major trade types are available like the even and odd, over and under, differs and matches, and also rise and fall. Visit the site with your computer or smartphone and create your ultimate strategy. On this video guide, I will show you how you can apply the digit probability tool to your advantage. So after you log in into the platform, navigate to the Analysis tool tab. And on the Analysis configuration, you can set the market, trade type, and the number of ticks to analyze. I will be trading the even and odd trade type using the digit zone signal DBots shared on Telegram channel. The first step is to look for a market that has a higher percentage of even or odd digits. Set the number of ticks to analyze to be between 200 and 300 ticks. The recent pattern shows you the average intervals between even and odd digits. It can help you set the trade duration. So, I found a good setup on Volatility 75-1S index market with 61% odd digits. The next step is to load the bot using this import button. The drag and drop feature was disabled by Deriv. Make sure to set everything up like the market, trade type, and trade duration. Hit the run button and wait for the bot to do the calculations. It will execute trades at the most favorable digit point. Keep an eye on the digit probability for certain changes in percentages. If it starts declining, you can pause running the bot. If the percentages keep on rising, keep the bot running. The bot stopped trading due to an internet disconnection during its run. So make sure you have at least 10 megabytes per second and above for seamless auto trading. The final trading results: 37 runs with 23 wins and 14 losses. That is a good win rate. Remember, the win rate is also determined by the accuracy of your bot and the trade duration used. Test various bots using this approach and see which one works best. Send me a screenshot of you trading on the Ultimate DBot platform and I will share with you some good logical and technical bots that you can use to analyze the market. That is it for this video. See you in the next one. Trade responsibly. Peace.